Guys, wag mo na ako kayo maingay.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to celebrate the union of Mr. Zian Roy B. Conde and Miss Maria Princess Himalima.
Alalayan ako!
Mr. Conde and Miss Palima, as you enter into the covenant of this matrimony, join your hands and declare your consent.
You know,
Kasar! White lady.
bilis na para matapos na. Suko bang kasal?
Ala!
Mr. Zian Conde, do you take Miss Palima to be your wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part?
Option.
Do you take Mr. Zian Conde to be your husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part?
POV ko, ako dapat yan eh.
That should be me. Napilitan lang ako.
Hala. Bilisan mo na, ito na!
Yes or no lang kay Aido na!
Walang bitaw.
Okay.
I wish you a long life, happiness, and prosperity. With everyone here as witness, it is my pleasure to pronounce Mr. and Mrs. Conde to be husband